to a new video. Today we're going to continue talking about experiments. And let's remember our social practice of the language. Interpret and write instructions to a simple experiment. Our expected learning. Select instructions and value their content and structure. Interpret instructions and write instructions. And our product, at the end of this series of videos, you are going to be able to write instructions by yourself for an experiment. And now, today, our aim is to practice the use of imperatives. And here we have our activities. And now, here we have 5 new words. 5 new more words. And here we have bottle, oil, clothes, shake, and jobs. And here we have the answer for the first one. Here we have oil, bottle. Here we have bottle, clothes, shake, and jobs. Pay attention to the meaning of each word because we are going to use these words in our exercises, and also these words are included in our experiment. Bottle, oil, clothes, shake, and jobs. Okay? Are you ready to continue working? Okay. Very good, guys. Now, have you seen these videos? 5-minute crafts? These videos are sometimes on Facebook and sometimes on YouTube. And these videos helps you to make experiments and to make many things. But today we are going to imagine that we want also record videos for this page. So we have to learn more about it because this is a bigger page and we want to upload videos about experiments. Now, I'm going to ask you a question. What happens if you mix oil and water? Tell me. What happens if you mix oil and water? Okay, tell me. Very good. Here we have what happens. As you can see, water and oil cannot mix. Iron and oil cannot be together. And here we have the experiment. Materials, instructions, and the result. So read. If you need more time, you can stop the video and we can continue. Okay, and this is the result. Now we are going to work with imperative verbs. As you know, imperative verbs are in this case in experiments are used to tell you the instructions, to give instructions in this case. And now we are going to practice more with imperative verbs, and then you can learn better the use of imperative verbs. Here we have materials, instructions, and the result. And then you have the verbs. Here we have the verbs. As you can see, we use 3 verbs in this experiment. And then we're going to work with these verbs. So you identify these verbs and you were correct, guys. Very good job. As you could see, imperative verbs are written in infinitive form to give instructions. In this case, for the experiment, if you have a verb that is written in infinitive form, probably is an imperative. In this case, imperative verbs tells you how to give instructions. Okay, let's continue. And we are going to do a funny activity. Here you have some unscrambled words and you have to order them to discover some materials of the next experiment. Tell me. Order them, and then you're going to discover three new materials that we are going to use in our next activity. If you need more time, you can stop the video, guys. Don't worry. Okay, let's going to check it. Here we have the answers. Number 1, milk. Number 2, glass. And number 3, water. Very good, guys. Now here we have the exercise. Read the instructions and circle the correct one according to the image. Look at the pictures and choose the best description for each one. Here you have the pictures, and also you have 2 options for each one. You have to take into consideration some clue words that help you to understand and to understand better the instruction. Are you ready, guys? Okay, let's going to check it. Number 1, pour the water into a clean glass. As you can see, this is not a yellow glass. For that reason, this is the correct answer. Number 2, add a teaspoon of milk. We need milk in this case, and also in the image we have a teaspoon. For that reason, this is the correct instruction. In this case, you can use some milk, but in the image you have a teaspoon. For that reason, you know that we need a teaspoon of milk. And the third one, mix the water with and the milk. In this case, this is a shake glass. You don't have to close the glass with a paper because we don't have paper in the image. In the image we have water and milk. For that reason, we have to mix the water and the milk. And now it's time to know if we learned today the words or if we have to check it one more time. Here we have the words, and I give you the first answer, and then you're going to give me the rest of the answers. Have you finished, guys? Match the correct word with the correct image. Those words are very easy, so you can do it by yourself. Are you ready? No yet? Okay, I'll give you more time. Are you ready? Okay, let's check it. Bottle. Shake. Actually, it's a song like shake. Do you remember that? Close. You close the door. Finally, drops. Add a drop of milk, add a drop of color food, some drops, 2 drops, 3 drops. It depends on the experiment. And this is all for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch the next video to learn new vocabulary and to do many interesting activities. Take care, guys. See you, and thanks for watching. Continue watching the next videos. Bye bye.